In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create form in Typeform. In order to do that, you first need to head over to typeform.com, and then from this part, you should be able to see their website. Proceed to click on this Get Started or this Sign Up option in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to log in. So let's try to sign up. Once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected to the next page wherein you can sign up for free on Typeform. You can either sign up using Google, Microsoft, or email. In order to make things better, let's sign up using our Gmail. Now they will ask you some onboarding questions like your details, so you can proceed to just enter your details from there. Once you're done with that, you should be able to see in here this. So let's try to create a new form. You can either start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms, or create form with AI. So for this case, you have three options for that. So into this part, I'll head over and then create with AI. Let's click onto this option right here, and you can input right here the form elements like for all forms, lead qualification, product recommendation, and the likes. For example, let's use in here this for all forms. Then input right here some suggestions. You can find it right here. You can also just describe the goal of your form. For example, let's input right here survey about mental health. Let's input that right here. And once you have done that, click on continue. Input right here specific questions that you wish to include, but you can also opt out for this. Click on this generate questions, and after that, this will generate the quiz or the forms question in order to create it into the type form. So for this case, just wait for this to be crafted. Now, as you have noticed, we have now these questions up to 8, and you can see what it will look like. You can see the questions right here. There are some matching types. And once you're done, you can proceed to click on the share in order to share this form. So that's how you create form in Typeform. Hope we helped.